Okay, first try all on his own. Okay, stay to the center. Stay to the center, son.
Don't change your mind. Just do the front flip.
Okay. Go.
Reach and touch.
Yay! First one, he lands on his feet. Oh,
Oh, yes. You did that good.
No problem at all.
He does them really good.
Really easy.
Really easy.
Wow.
Easy.
Now you got to go from a front flip, the back flip to a front flip.
You can do
I
that.
bet you could do it.
You can. Practice the front. It's very different. Practice the front before you do it.
Mom.
And then do a back and a front. There you go. Now do a back and then a front, right into a front.
Oh, it's hard.
Oh, he can do it. Do a back right into a front.
Don't break a leg. You're totally
He's gonna do it though. He'll do it
He'll
today. He'll do it this time. Try it again, one more time. He's going all the way from his first to a double flip.
2, 3.
It's hard.
That's why.